Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're a designer or just getting into Figma, you're going to love this tutorial on how to crop images into shapes. This is especially useful for creating eye-catching visuals, like turning a photo into a circular profile pic or a custom icon. We're focusing on the 2025 updates, which make this process even smoother and more intuitive. So, let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have Figma open on your computer or tablet. If you're new, go ahead and sign up for a free account. It's super easy. Start by creating a new file or opening an existing one where you want to work. Now, import your image. You can do this by dragging and dropping it into the canvas or using the Import option from the menu. Once your image is on the screen, select it and head over to the right-hand toolbar. Next, grab the Shape tool. It's that icon that looks like a square or circle. Choose the shape you want to crop your image into, like a circle for a rounded effect. Draw the shape directly over your image, making sure it covers the area you want to keep. Here's the fun part. With both the image and the shape selected, right-click and choose Mask, or use the Boolean operations in the latest Figma update. This will crop your image perfectly into that shape. If it doesn't look quite right, you can adjust the shape's size or position and reapply the mask. Don't forget to play around with Figma's layer settings. You can add effects like shadows or gradients to make your cropped image pop even more. Once you're happy, export your design by going to File, Greater than, Export, and choose your preferred format. That's it. You've just leveled up your design skills. This technique is a game changer for social media graphics, app icons, or any project needing a polished look. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more Figma tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.